design a cat mask with me. So what we're gonna do first, like this is for my friend. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna outline it. Oh my god, no, not that color. I need black. Then we're just gonna outline it. Sorry if my lines aren't that straight. I'm like a bit shaky today for some reason. Oh my god. Oh my god, why aren't my lines straight? Oh my god. Is this Apple Pen not working? Anyways, that's fine. Anyways, so like right now, I'm just gonna like start outlining it. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. That's all I'm gonna like grab out so for now. Okay, so the outside of it's, oh my god. No. And I'm just gonna like add those bits in. And then I'm gonna like do the eyes. Okay. I'm sure that's good for now. I'm just gonna like clean up that bit. Oh my god. Okay, great. So, I'm gonna like do like a little, wait, no, so what I think she should do is like, so like a flower there, and maybe like another one, like, oh no, I'm gonna need the rubber. And then, wait, no, I think I should have done it like that. Yeah, so that is like on that side. And then maybe like a little leaf here. Don't mind my leaf, it's not that good. Oh my god. Why am I so bad at this? Anyways. I'm gonna do light pink for the ear. Wait, no. Should just use the fill tool. And we're gonna like, no. Oh my god, why did I do that? So, and then we're probably gonna add like brown at like, just like around here. No. Maybe just around here or something. Oh my freaking god. Okay, so like just, yeah, around here. Okay, yeah, you know what? Oh my god! Why is it so hard to like design? Not like to move it and stuff like that. we're gonna like do the same here. Oh my god, and you know what? I'm like gonna like. Okay, we finally got the right brush stroke. Yeah, I think that's good. And maybe like we can like maybe we can like go like that to the nose. No, we're gonna use a darker brown for that, I think. Oh my god. Yeah, that brown maybe, because it blends in with the black a bit more. To the nose. Well, I'm just gonna see where the nose actually is. Alright, that's fine. Anyways, we're just gonna like. I'm just gonna color that in. I don't care if it's not good, because anyways, it's gonna be fixed soon. So then we'll use like the fill tool. Like the fill tool, yeah. Obviously, she's a black. So like that's a black cat right there. So then probably maybe like yeah, brown for the eyes, defo. Yeah, so the eyes are done. What should I do for the actual like thing? Yeah, actually that's good. My god. Also, yes, you can use this if you like, if you're a black cat, and I really don't mind. Yeah, so. And then actually, I'm just gonna do brown for the nose. Wait. And then maybe we can do okay, right, so yes, we can use dark brown. No, actually, I'm not gonna do fluff. What should the side be? Right, so yeah, I'm just gonna make that bit like. I'm gonna color that a different thing. So yeah. Right. So, okay. Perfect. Right, so perfect. Now we need to do the nose, which is going to be black. I hope you like this design if you're watching. Well, like, mostly to my friend, but, like, to you guys too. And then I'd, like, use that to, like, take it down. No, nose is too big. Nose way too big. No. I was gonna, like, do it, like... Yeah, it doesn't matter right now. That is good. That... Yeah, so I'm just gonna, like, blend it in. So then we need to, like, this is, like, the hard part. You need to, like, blend it in good. Just try not to get the nose. Also, yes, I am using the app Sketchy Skills, and I promise you this is not, like, an ad. Yeah, because I hate them as well, guys. So, yeah, I'm just, like, making sure it's, like, all blended in. Right, so. Right. Oh yeah, I should have done, like, that technique. Yes! That is good. That is good. Yes, so right now I'm just, like, doing the nose. Whoops. Oh my god, no reader. Yeah. I don't know how the hell she's gonna make whiskers, but good luck. So, right now, yes, that shape is good. Oh my god. Yeah, so I'm just like gonna make it like I'm just gonna like rub a bit out because I don't like that. I don't like that. No, I don't like that actually. No. Oh my god. I don't know if she actually has fur. Like, if she has fur at her house to use. But I'm gonna add it in anyways. I'm gonna make that so I can fill the thing. Yes. Yes. Right. I should have done like symmetry. But oh well. Now my knee is wet. Oh well, that's sad. Yeah, I know it's sad. Oh no! Okay, good, I got it back. So like probably from here it starts and to here it ends. Small ones. Perfect. Now I need to use the fill tool. No, no, that is so bad. No, bro. No, no. Right, first of all, I'm gonna like... Bro. And I'm actually gonna like do it like yeah, so like just like adding these bits on, because yeah, she'll be wondering what's taking so. Oh my god! I think one eye is higher. Oh well, that's sad. So, yeah, I'm just gonna like actually, it's all the way, oh my god, it's all the way up to the ears. Oh my god! I need to do it on black again. Oh, why? Why me? That is actually so bad. How the hell do I do it? I freaking hate myself. I can't even design a good mask. Right, so. Oh my god. I need to like actually fill it now. I want to see how it looks. Bro! Oh yeah, this is a tiny bit. That is not bad. That's not bad. I'm just gonna like do tiny whiny bits. Yeah, so that is actually good so far. I'm surprised. Right, so. Right, okay, so that is the finished product. And I'm gonna like do a background for her. Like, and I'm like gonna like do that. I'm gonna like do. No. Right. So then now I'm gonna like do in brown. So yeah, Black Cat Therian mask. Wait, actually, I'm gonna redo the word Therian. And mask. And there, I'm gonna add like a little. I don't, wait. By your friend. Oh, and I'm gonna like, and this, oh my god! And I'm like here. I'm just gonna like put, you know. Alright, okay. So, that is an idea. I'm gonna take a screenshot. Oh wait, no, never mind. I'm not. Well, if any of you want to copy this for your thing, then I am more than happy to let you to. And I would love it, actually. Anyways, I hope you have a good day and stay sweet like a mango. Bye-bye.